Hello everyone, this is our Stylus pen. When you open the box, you can see the instructions and two replaceable tips. And look, this is our magnetic charging line. When you want to use it, you can just put the charging line on the Stylus pen like this. It only needs to charge for about 30 minutes, then you can use it for about 12 hours. It's very light. When you want to use it, you can click the top button here like this, and you can see the light turns blue. And you can use it for drawing like this, or you can change the pen in different angles like this, or you can use it for writing like this. When you stop using it, you can just attach the stylus pen on the left side of the iPad.